Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're going to see how to use case statement on bash script. A case statement in bash script is used when the decision has to be made against multi choices. In another word, it is useful when the expression has possibilities to have multi values. This methodology can be seen as a replacement for multi-if statement in the script. Case statement have a edge over if statement because they improve the readability of our code and they are easy to maintain.
First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.2. Next, I am going to create a own script file for key statement by using vim command. First line should be shabang command. That response stored in read response. Case statement started in case statement syntax is case end with the case reverse order. Save and exit from the file. Save and exit from the file. To execute the script, first change the executable file permission by using the following command. To list the file by using the following command. Executable permission is set. Next, to execute the script by using the following command. Are you student? If your response is yes, yes I am a student, output is here. Again run the script by using the following command. Where response is no, no I am not a student is output. Again run the script by using the following command. If your response is none of these, it will show invalid response. This is the process to use case statement on bash script on Oracle Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.